Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hilaban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hilaru ban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra
ke Indian National Congress kalakam bagi jingkhalam ke Executive Committee balayalam dari United Democratic Party Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council kadai ke jingi syurut hi hapadang NPP bat ke UDP Presiden juga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hak jingi klan begilat petai kubur hak aphui terik duli Arzar Apulai ulo ang bagi jing ajing kershan jong keseng Congress ya ke NPP banyalam ya ke Executive Committee kapat hamai Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council kadai namanta ke jing mentoy jing pat ba kamtam harba penne pensa ka khando ba siap karati ke dastur nalor kata lo ong shushu bagni ke jing ai jing kershan ya ke NPP kade halor ka nongrem ba sorka BJP kala thungwan wanra ya ka amendment bill jong ka khrnet ba henrio ha parliament
ban penhab ka diskusi hangte ha diskusi nrei ke jing ya shoot paramaki ke jing ya keno paramaki ke jing ayu paramaki ki penhab den kata ke sakot yangi tengi nisnyo ba namta interest jong paipa namta interest jong ka council te ting na try ni habiation benta number 1 ni mari ong ki ban ya join lang bat ki ni baroni la phone ni ba pusngai ni discuss ba ni ya tier ba po party ni syam ba ka way ka ba na i ba ka amendment jong ka 6 schedule kalong kinsalek menta kinsbanra kilara parliament haka 6th of February 2019 ya kaniga amendment kila submit ka report on the 5th of March 2020 te menta ka BJP kan banra ya ka amendment jong ka 6th schedule hapo parliament haswa bakan ra ya ka amendment hapo parliament kidon kam ya ka views resolution na ka this council kidon kam ka views resolution na ka state comment nangta kinsa accept leni deny leni kin kentai ya kita ka resolution nyim tip ke accept ne kentai ring isi hukum ka parti ila berkat ha ba ka 6 sedil ke day ka balas dang menduk menswa ka for kongres ka ba ai namta ka riti ka dustur jongi ka jakah ki puta jongi ki ka best ka day ha ka 6 sedil tingi try ni berkat ba ni klep ya ki ego ke jing ya per han yang ten re namta ka amendment jong ka 6 sedil ni ngoy ka e tamili bandon namta ban say something tingi say something hanover come we have two options ka way options lada ni lek hasurok nginlek hamat prang nginlek ha polis bajar ban ya ban protes persya ya ke BJP ha nginlek sedali ban persya lane ngin rung hapo dis council ban ai ke resolution hapo dis council kenang ba ka ka bengidon hakum ke parti hilang ban
we have sacrificed we are willing to sacrifice the party's interest in the interest of the Japan. Amendment of the 6th schedule is going to affect our land tenure system. If it's going to affect our, this village culture, this village administration. If it's going to affect that, is the interest of the party more important or the interest of the Jaipunri more important? So we've taken a stand that protecting the interest of the Jaipunri is more important than the interest. As a party, we will take a stand, whether a stand is considered or not, but we have stood by our principle. The founding fathers of the party, the country, found it fit to give us the 6th schedule. So the party will stand by that, come what may. If we happen that the 6th schedule is abolished, but the Congress party has no party in it, it's not a party to it.
Experience baru kita kini ni orang bapan dia begilek sesurok kacing penduk mentoy jebon kenarap kabah min runga diskonsul in pan ka resolution na diskonsul ni trailan kenang min yo ban amen dia sedul nama timut bandra mata ngan IP ke number 1 nya i ke amen sedul ke dei ban penduk bor no ya ki rangwa snong ya ki skim kata ka we kam tam ayo hanu program ki introduce no da election commission kamut mentala da don ka jing ye election hapo snong hapo thao kam dei shu ban conduct ki skim le ni ka discouncil barabar habadon ka election hapo snong ka discouncil ka authorized usm ulek ka upek election kisa ai ke sanat ikiram national mano beri bencok rekum kolong mentang ka amendment kalong pe direct na ka election commission jong ka state hak ka discouncil kinsa besa kata kinsa penilai election mut ka board jong kism ka board jong karam national kamlong kani kan man ra bon ke ji kajia kata ka ba ka finance example menta ki release visa na po Delhi ki release po discouncil ulek ki ai ka visa ka visa ki audit kemud kam sudom tu ka free hand kemun chwa la de ki collect tax ni kono discouncil would this emro kila ban haka ain ka bakin sa frame kat kam ki rules ni siam ki pun menta kanam de show ka reti ke dustur kalalong no the way ka reti la change no ka intention jong ni kalong ban protect ban pene ban pensa ban preserve ban promote chi sam dei ban penduk tingi siam ba kani ka we ka long ka ban kamba ka amendment jong ka sip ka ni te ban ni don ti hangno nimla ban don po state government nimla ban don parliament nimla ban don ru andre ni batai ro ting accept ra ka bela ke dei tang di susul nala kata tahu ka jing ya fail jong ka UDP but NPP ke jinga yu jong ki khot ini ni join da kata ke intention barabar ni ya mixed ka discouncil but ka state ni de pan ya fair example ha ka por ba Dr. Mukul ulong chief minister udi congress hero ha ka to ko por ba penchangan ulong CM udi congress henry ba penchangan item ting nang taban penyok por ya ki rang ba snong ha ka to ko por ba penchangan le chdo supreme court te kam de ka ai ka barai ha po state government le ni ka barul ha po state government ka de ban rule ha discouncil kam de ka no ka g3 lang ha po state government ka de ban long ha council kam long ra kala pan ya fair la de ka jo ka party le ka different party ka council ka don ka jong ka state ka jong ka ta ka le na trying ni pan ya fair ka state pat ka discouncil kamut hang te ni long opposition hang ni long ruling kam long ru kata ka anya po council kam don re ka tent schedule mo ka ban disqualify kam don re kata ka ni kata the example man hakini example ku marang DC marang utrelang bat ka ruling po ni klam na congress ni klam expel you ni sha no trailer do na marka an ka sha tabeli ni sha de kata ka jingrum jong ni ha po ka council kamde bai ne kwa kamde do mon re tang pan pne sa tang nam ta interest of the council means interest jong ki kasi jantia bat ki karo jong ni kam tam kasi jantia kan ni this council interest jong ki la amen pat ka sip sedol ka kta ndi tang kasi jantia ka kta ki karo ka kta y bopon i kumbachi ka wait ki this council ka kta kata ni kum ka kam tam kasi hills di perkap seni bha kani. We are working together in this council. I don't think it's suicidal because why in the election there will be a delimitation. We have a role to play in the delimitation. There will be an amendment of the sixth schedule. We have a role to play for the amendment of the sixth schedule. Rather, we sacrifice our interest for the interest of the people. It's not that we work there for our own interest. And if you see the portfolio, Pak Penchangan will be looking for those portfolios where we could see that at least the interest of the public will be in the first, rather than our own interest. Itu hak itu ni claim join hano no betrelang bat ke BJP. Nila trelang bat ke UDP sans kusnam hati por balade. Nimdam tiga bat ke UDP. Menre mana kene pergi hap tang kot ke claim kot ini tang kon kini kimno ki shoot paramaki abak hatu ki. Nimdam tiga bat trelang UDP, nimdam tiga trelang bat ke parti henre kicing jongi bat ke BJP. Tang no bat hane council ro baladan BJP ban trelang nimtre. Bat ideology ke yaper. Kata kai ni very clear ba ka jing trelang jongi ka dei bat kino ni accept ndei bat ka mandate bo ai pai ba tisha ka discussion ka mandate ka last election ka ai ka congress chpomut ni job ka to ko por ndei lok ka amprin uper I kong grace iper nang tahu baca pupet, nak kibun kipet, jingsha ketua kupar ke mandat kibru ki ayah kuat council ki ayah ke kongres, kena try bakade ke kamram jungi ban protect lo ya ke dis council kata kada ni perkat bahangi jan ni la perkat bahan ilai syong ilai tir ilai yok ke pruan high command haswa bangin le kene kamde ya bangi sule join bangi yok pisau ko makitu ki bajon menchwa le ni kamde ko kata kene ni perkat bahan daga ayu. Number one, there's no BJP in this council, and number two is that in the council the leader will be from NPP, the deputy leader will be from the Congress. So whatever decision we are taking will be for the interest of the council. So there's no BJP in the council. So in the state will remain another person. There's no doubt. We'll take a different issues because the council mainly with land tenure system and the culture. I think that's the main in the council. Whereas in the states we take a different issues. We have 74, 75 issues. Departments and different ministries from the center will take up all these issues. Minus BJP, we are ready to support, sir.
NPP.
Support, we are ready to work together even.
MDA.
Minus BJP. No? There's no doubt.